Dr. Harshvardhan ji, respected Dr. Shekhar Singh Mande, Director General CSIR and Secretary DSIR, Shri Jayant Sahasrabudhe ji, National Organizing Secretary Vigyan Bharati, Directors of CSIR Labs, Dr. Satish Chandra, Dr. Virendra Tiwari, Dr. Aswal, my dear friends and distinguished from CSIR headquarters and units, CSIR fellow directors who are joining through online, Shri Javed Hassan Khanji, Chief Scientist CSIR NISCARE, faculty and staff members of NISTADS and NISCARE, dear students and friends from media. I, on my own behalf and behalf of CSIR, extend a very hearty welcome to you to a historic event of merger of two premier institutes of CSIR, namely National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies and National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Minister Dr. Harshvardhan ji to choose today a very auspicious day to announce the merger of two CSIR institutes. As we all know that January 14th is Makar Sankranti, the most auspicious festival celebrated across the country by people with different names: Sankrant, Maghi Bihu, Pongal, Bogi, etc., in myriad forms according to geographic locations, culture and traditions, to welcome the new season of harvest in their own indigenous manner. This day signifies the end of winter solstice and sun transits from Dakshinayan to Uttarayan, thereby starting the longer days, a symbol of light and positivity. Thus, nature inspires human beings to be dynamic, ready for the change which is eternal. It is the only thing that will never change. In this very context, I briefly describe the two institutes of CSIR, NISTADS and NISCARE, which have attained the legacy of leadership in their respective domains of policy planning and scholarly and public communication of science and technology. CSIR NISTADS is a policy research think tank that undertakes the evidence-based policy studies on socio-technology innovations and interdisciplinary perspective. It carries out socio-economic impact analysis, technology readiness level assessments, benchmarking studies, technical foresights across various sectors, be it health, agriculture, MSME, traditional knowledge, education, environment. All these exercises aim to find out the promising technological intervention beneficial for the society. This year on September 30th, it celebrated its 40th Foundation Day in the gracious presence of Dr. Harshvardhan ji. Likewise, NISCARE, with a rich history of over 6 decades, has assumed the status of the largest institute engaged in science communication in the country, and it's the only institution probably of its kind in Asia. It brings out 18 peer-reviewed journals covering major disciplines of science and technology, 3 popular magazines, Science Reporter, Vigyan Pragati and Science Ki Duniya. NISCARE houses the National Science Library, which is among the biggest and the oldest science library in the country. It provides bibliometric services in various disciplines, ISSN number 2 publications published in the country as National Center of the ISSN International Center, and access to e-journals to various R&D organizations through National Knowledge Resource Consortium. The word merger itself in general invokes lots of mixed feelings among the stakeholders of both the institutions' organizations, where at one hand it raises apprehensions of insecurity, fear of unknown, loss of competency. On the other hand, it aspires of greater efficiency, access to more resources, diversification and cost effectiveness. However, I would like to submit here that this merger is more natural and organic, as these two sister institutes of CSIR, which are multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary in approach, truly complement each other, mandate to disseminate and communicate the scientific knowledge to the society. Sir, I assure you that under your able guidance, the unified institution will be driven by common vision, one CSIR. And shortly we will be uniquely positioned to become a premium research organization in the country in the field of science communication and policy research. You have always been the guiding force for all of us, and I seek your blessings in our future endeavors too. I also welcome Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, DG CSIR, for being a rock support and especially for his efforts in building the conducive environment in NISTADS and NISCARE. I am extremely grateful to you, sir, for giving the responsibility of organizing India International Science Festival 2020, the biggest science festival in the world, to NISTADS on behalf of CSIR. For a relatively small organization like CSIR NISTADS to successfully undertake this mammoth task of hosting ISF 2020 has been due to exemplary cooperation and participation by CSIR headquarters, other CSIR labs, and particularly I would like to mention NISCARE and Vigyan Bharati family. I am truly elevated. This ISF 2020 has heightened our confidence and made the institute household name, not only India but in international scenario also. I am sure that my colleagues at NISTADS and NISCARE, who are indeed real assets, will make this new entity a vibrant institution in the domain of science, communication, and policy research. I again extend a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries who are present here and who have joined us online to witness this great moment of merger and announcement of the name of new institute by Honorable Minister Shri Harshvardhan ji. Once again, I welcome you all. Dhanyavad, Namaskar.